In this question, we are given that the profit P in dollars for any given month of a certain company, it is defined by the relation P equals I minus C. Now here I is the total income in dollars and C is the total cost for the month. Now we have for the 4 months C equals I plus 32000 was the relation between profit, income and cost. Now keep in mind this is for each of the 4 months. For the first month C is equal to I plus 32,000 and again for the second month C is equal to I plus 32,000 and so on. Now we have the information for the next 3 months which is equal to I equals C plus 36,000, and from the next 5 months we have I equals C plus 10,000. We have to find the company's total profit for the 12-month year. We have to find the profit. Now keep in mind all these add up to give us the profit for 12 months. Now to understand how to find the profits and solve this question, let's move on to step 2 and change these equation into this form. So the first equation is C equals I plus 32,000. To change it into the given equation or the equation 1, P equals I minus C, we have I minus C equals minus 32,000. Now when we compare this with the equation 1, we get that P is equal to minus 32,000. So this means that there was a loss in each of the 4 months for which the relation between P, C and I is given. Now using the second equation, we have I equals C plus 36,000. Again changing this equation into the equation 1, we have I minus C equals 36,000. Comparing this, we get that the profit each of the next 3 months is equal to 36,000. Similarly, when we solve the third equation, which is I equals C plus 10,000, we get I minus C equals 10,000, which gives us the profit 10,000. So, keeping these values in mind, we move on to step 3 and calculate the net profit. So the profit will be equal to 4 times minus of 32,000, since this is the loss that the company incurs every month, plus 3 times 36,000 plus 5 times 10,000. Now we can split the first part and write it as minus 32,000 plus 3 times minus 32,000 plus 3 times 36,000 plus 50,000. Now this gives us minus 32,000. We can take 3 common from here, and 36,000 minus 32,000 gives us 4,000 plus 50,000. This is equal to minus 32,000 plus 12,000 plus 50,000, which gives us $30,000, which is the option B.